Let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in your own kitchen and looked right past the answer because two of the most powerful ingredients for male vitality after 60 aren't hiding in a pharmacy and they don't come in a blue pill? They're right there in your cupboard, castor oil and baking soda. Now I know what you're thinking. That's something my mother used for constipation, and something I clean the sink with. But here's the twist. When these two are used the right way, they don't just clean your pipes. They reignite blood flow, improve prostate health, and yes, support hard erections in just 3 days. You didn't hear that from a drug commercial. You heard it from a doctor who spent 30 years watching men go from discouraged and dependent to confident and free using natural, forgotten tools. So why is this simple combo working so fast for older men? What exactly does it do to the body, and more importantly, why haven't you been told? That's what we're unpacking today, because if you've been feeling weaker, slower, or less like yourself lately, this might be the nudge your body has been quietly waiting for. Let me show you what's really going on beneath the surface. The silent struggle after. Let me introduce you to Ahmed, a retired teacher, 67 years old. He came into my clinic one quiet afternoon, sat down with a sigh, and said, "Doc, I feel like I'm disappearing." He wasn't talking about memory loss or aches. He meant the man in the mirror, the one who used to feel proud, confident, even desirable. Now, he avoided intimacy with his wife, started sleeping further apart, and when he looked at himself, the sparkle, the energy, it just wasn't there. Sound familiar? What Ahmed was experiencing isn't rare. In fact, by age 60, over half of all men struggle with some level of erectile weakness, not because they've failed, but because their circulation has slowed, their testosterone has declined, and inflammation has crept in silently. But no one really talks about it. We're told to man up, or just take a pill and move on. But what if your body is actually asking for help, not punishment? You see, this isn't just about performance in the bedroom. It's about the quiet pain of feeling like your edge is slipping, and the hope that maybe, just maybe, it's not gone, just dormant. And that brings us to the real question: what's actually causing this breakdown, and how can we fix it at the root? Let's take a deeper look. The problem: what's really causing this? So, what's really going on here? The truth is, your body hasn't betrayed you. It's just been slowly blocked, drained, and dimmed by time. Let's break it down. As we age, the blood vessels that carry life into your lower body, especially the pelvic region, start to narrow and stiffen. Years of inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor circulation clog the very pathways your erections depend on. It's like trying to blow air through a pinched straw. And then there's the prostate, a small gland with a big role. As it enlarges with age, it presses gently, then firmly, on surrounding blood flow and nerves. Even a mild swelling can send the wrong signals to your brain, or none at all. Add in declining testosterone levels and a sluggish lymphatic system, and suddenly, it's not just your strength that's affected. It's your sense of power, presence, and connection. Now, most men are told to fix this with a pill. But pills only treat the moment, not the machine. And the truth is, your body wants to heal. It just needs the right tools to clear the gunk, reduce the pressure, and reignite the engine from within. Which leads us to a surprisingly powerful solution, one you've likely never heard from your doctor. Let's talk about castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil plus baking soda. The hidden wisdom. Now here's where it gets interesting. You've probably seen a bottle of castor oil collecting dust in an old cabinet. And baking soda, it's sitting in your kitchen right now, maybe next to the salt. But what if I told you? When used together, these two simple ingredients become a powerful natural remedy for boosting blood flow, calming the prostate, and restoring vitality right where you need it most. Let's start with castor oil. For centuries, castor oil has been used to stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and even support the lymphatic system, your body's internal cleanup crew. When applied over the lower belly or groin, It penetrates deep into tissues, relaxing tight blood vessels and gently flushing out congestion. Now pair that with baking soda, a humble but powerful alkalizing agent. It helps balance your body's pH, reduce hidden acidity, and most importantly, it boosts the release of nitric oxide, the same chemical your body needs for firm, reliable erections. Together, they create a synergy. Castor oil opens the door. Baking soda cleans the hallway, and blood flow finally returns to where it belongs. What's amazing is that this isn't new. Men in traditional cultures used similar combinations for years, they just didn't talk about it. But now, the science is catching up, and so many men are rediscovering this natural edge, often in just 3 short days. So how do you use it safely and effectively? Let me walk you through the exact method. How to use IT safely. 3-day natural protocol. Alright, now let's talk about the how, because knowing is one thing, but doing it right is where the real change begins. This is the 3-day castor oil and baking soda protocol. Simple, gentle, but powerful. Step 1. The castor oil pack. Take a clean flannel or cotton cloth and soak it in warm castor oil, just warm enough to feel comforting. Place it directly over your lower abdomen, just below the belly button. That's where your pelvic blood vessels and lymph nodes sit. Cover it with plastic wrap, then place a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Now relax, breathe, let it sit for 45 minutes. This encourages deep circulation, loosens inflammation, and draws congestion out of the groin and prostate area. Do this every night for 3 nights. Step 2. The baking soda boost. Each morning, on an empty stomach, mix teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Drink it slowly. If you'd like, add a squeeze of lemon to help absorption and taste. This gently alkalizes your body, helping nitric oxide levels rise and enhancing blood vessel flexibility. Important: don't exceed 3-4 days without talking to your doctor, especially if you have blood pressure or kidney concerns. And remember, this isn't a magic fix. It's a natural reset, one that tells your body it's safe to flow again. But don't just take my word for it. Let me tell you what happened to Ahmed when he tried this. Real story transformation. Ahmed returns. Remember Ahmed, the quiet man who once said he felt like he was disappearing? Well, he listened. He tried the 3-day protocol. No expectations, just curiosity and maybe a little hope. Day 1, after his first castor oil pack, he called and said, "Doc, I don't know how to explain it, but I felt something, warm, like a pulse waking up." It wasn't dramatic, but it was enough to notice, enough to believe something might be shifting. Day 2, he woke up with something he hadn't felt in years. Morning wood. "Like when I was 45, he laughed, still unsure, still guarded, but the spark. It was back. Day 3, he looked in the mirror and said, "I don't feel old today. I feel like myself again." That night, he and his wife went out for dinner. He wore the shirt he hadn't touched in years, held her hand with confidence. It wasn't just about the bedroom, it was about feeling alive, connected, capable. Now, is it a miracle? No. It's biology supported by nature and activated with intention. But for Ahmed, it was a moment of reclaiming his manhood. Not through force, but through healing. And he's not alone. So what's really behind these results? Let's pull back the curtain on science and why this ancient remedy is finally being taken seriously. Science meets wisdom. Why it actually works. So, what's the science behind this miracle that worked for Ahmed and thousands of other men quietly trying the same? Let's start with castor oil. When applied topically, especially with heat, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin and tissues. It stimulates prostaglandins, which are compounds that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Think of it like gently unblocking a hose that's been bent too long. It also supports your lymphatic system, the body's waste disposal unit, helping to clear out toxins and stagnant fluid from the groin and pelvic area. Now, baking soda. It seems too simple, right? But when your body becomes too acidic, which happens naturally with age, poor diet, or stress, it struggles to produce nitric oxide, the very molecule that helps blood vessels relax and expand. Without nitric oxide, erections become weak, inconsistent, or vanish entirely. Baking soda helps neutralize that acidity, making it easier for the body to restore nitric oxide production naturally. Together, these two form a tag team. One opens the floodgates, the other clears the way. No side effects, no prescriptions, just your body, working the way it was meant to. But what if you want to make these results even better, stronger, longer, lasting? Let's look at a few bonus tricks that can amplify the effect. Bonus enhance the effect even more: emotion target, excitement, motivation. So you've tried the castor oil and baking soda protocol, and maybe you're already feeling the shift. But what if you could take it a step further? Let me share a few simple enhancements that many of my patients use to amplify their results. First, ginger tea. Ginger naturally boosts circulation and supports nitric oxide production. A warm cup each morning or evening can help drive even more blood flow into those pelvic vessels. Plus, it reduces inflammation, making your body more responsive overall. Second, gentle movement. After applying your castor oil pack, take a 15-minute walk or do light stretching. This encourages your lymphatic system to move like pumping fresh oil through a machine.
The same white powder you use to freshen your fridge could quietly support your strength, stamina, and confidence in the bedroom.
Try adding foods like beets or pomegranate juice to your daily routine.
The same white powder you use to freshen your fridge could quietly support your strength, stamina, and confidence in the bedroom.
And support stronger, more sustained erections. And one more thing after your castor oil treatment, try a light massage around the lower abdomen and inner thighs.
What if something as ordinary as baking soda, the same white powder you use to freshen your fridge, could quietly support your strength, stamina, and confidence in the bedroom?
Before we wrap up,
what if something as ordinary as baking soda, the same white powder you use to freshen your fridge, could quietly support your strength?
Closing the dignity of natural masculinity, let's bring this home. If there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this: you are not broken. You're not past your prime. And your value as a man was never measured by pills, performance, or prescriptions. What you're feeling, the slowing down, the struggle, the quiet frustration, it's not weakness. It's your body asking to be heard. And when we respond with patience, with wisdom, and with natural tools that work with the body, not against it, the results speak for themselves. This castor oil and baking soda protocol isn't just about erections. It's about restoring connection to your energy, your confidence, your partner, your life, because masculinity doesn't retire at 60. It matures, it softens and strengthens in new ways, and when supported even gently, it still carries power, vitality, and presence. So if you've been feeling like something's missing, maybe it's not lost, maybe it just needs a little space to return. You don't need gimmicks, you need clarity, and a reason to believe in your body again. You've got that now. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your health, your strength, your dignity, they matter, and they're worth protecting.